the Krisevaks platform where farmers can buy our services and sell their products directly without any middleman.
This is our e-commerce website, which is a medium for farmers to interact, connect, and transact directly with NGOs, potential customers, seed companies, and pesticide agencies. It provides an easy interface of drop-down menus and filters to find relevant quotations and suitable products. Each farmer also has a personalized dashboard showing his energy credits and green credits. These credits are calculated using data collected over time from our sensors interfaced with the MSP 430 MCU. Along with the credits, the dashboard also provides information and visualizations of parameters like moisture, pH, nutrients, and more to give the land a fertility value. Using artificial intelligence, the user interface also suggests potential crops that can be sown the next season.
These maps provide the farmer information regarding his farm, like thermal images of his crops, the pH and humidity values of his soil samples, and the sunlight received by his farm.